yard, like this ginormous yard sale. This is cool. Ooh, they got shoes. Ooh, look at that. They got Jordan over there. Look at that pretty dress. Hello, friends. How are you? The boys had a soccer game today, both of them, and now it's lunchtime. And guess where we're going? Saigon Bistro again because I have to have that shrimp crepe. Today is also the passing of my mom's anniversary. It's her 3-year passing, and I really wanted to go in this area in Concord because they have a seafood city, and I want to get a turon because my mommy made the best turon and she's not here, and the second best is the turon in Seafood City. Yummy. Going to Seafood City to get that turon. They have tortang talong. I want to get one. And then there goes the footlong.
Oh my god.
We got it.
Oh my god.
Friends, good morning. I decided to try the overnight blowout again, but actually morning. I did it like at 9 and it's now 10:30, so I only had like an hour and 30 minutes. I washed my hair, dried it, and then I put it in the rollers. Ooh, I like it. We're going to celebrate a Niners game today with Grandma and Grandpa. So they're wearing red. I don't really have a lot of red. I actually don't like wearing red. I like wearing blue. I like wearing yellow. I like wearing pink. I love wearing white. I love wearing black. I love black. You notice that, boys? Yeah. I love this. It smells so good. Like, I smell it on them. Like, I did their hair for soccer yesterday and it smelled so good. It's the Fenty one. Oh, we totally. They got haircuts yesterday after soccer and eating out. Huh. They got haircuts from Van. Van comes to our house and he does our hair. I actually didn't need a haircut because I actually got my haircut that one time. I thought I was gonna have brown hair for a while. It was so funny. Remember, Liam, you're like, oh, is this part of getting older? Your hair turns brown? No, baby, your hair turns white when you get older.
Am I done?
Yes, you are. It's looking so handsome. Actually, give me a second, Jacob. Give me a second. I need one little piece of hair, baby. Can I do your hair, honey? What you doing running? He ran off. It's okay. We're gonna work on this part, honey. Like that. So this gel is not a squeeze gel. You have to use your hands to, but I don't mind.
What?
Come here, Peppy. Let me see. You have one piece of hair that I wanted to brush off like that.
Am I done?
Yeah. Oh, boys are gonna make pizza at Grandma Grandpa's house.
That sounds good. We're also gonna order Dairy Queen, right, Mama?
Oh yeah, you guys. Well, some kind of dessert, Dairy Queen or whatever is close to them. I'm not sure if they have a Dairy Queen close by. Okay, honey. Maybe Cold Stone. You like Cold Stone?
I've never had Cold Stone.
Ice.
Maybe once.
You had Cold Stone. We always get Grandma a Cold Stone ice cream cake when it's her birthday, or a Baskin Robbins. All right, looking so handsome. Is this good? Or a little? It's too high. There we go, like that.
Whatever you think.
Ooh,
I like this.
I like it. Let me just.
It just looks backwards in the.
Yeah, it does. Anyways, let's go to Grandma Grandpa's house. At Grandpa and Grandma's house. Look at the food. Look at the dip.
Bigger than.
Oh,
Thank
that
you,
looks
Grandma.
so good. And this is like a, what is that, honey?
Pepper jelly and cream cheese.
Okay, let me give it
Let's go, bud.
give it a little try. Don't mind if I do with this 7-layer dip. Okay, make that pizza. Grandma throwing down. She made the dough ahead of time. Wowzers, Grandma. This is so fun. You're gonna make regular, and Liam said, how are you gonna make that stuffed crust dough, Liam? How are you gonna do that? Okay, sweetie.
So, Grandma, can I start putting the cheese on? Okay, I'll start with the stuffed crust.
Okay, let's just see it.
Basically, what you have to do, you have to line pizza around the edges and then fold the dough in.
Oh yeah, exactly. So Grandma made beef, salmon, chicken, rice, and a Greek salad. So yummy. Oh, and of course the boys and their pizzas. Do you like your stuffed crust?
So good.
Yeah?
Delish.
Sit down, buddy. You can watch the game later.
The cheese is...
Hello, friends. We're back from David and Susan's house. We got some groceries. I took a shower because I was feeling tired, sleepy. I was like, let me shower and see if it'll help. Nope. I think I was in a food coma. When the food's so good, Susan's food is the best. I told my sister Gail that is my Roman Empire. Like, it is. It's the best. Oh my goodness, the boys got, what kind of box is this called again?
Water fountain.
Crunch Labs.
A Crunch Lab box, and they build, like, they made this. What are you guys doing?
Water.
Oh my
Don't be a camel. Let those next in line drink.
I made more egg salad, like a bunch, so that we can eat it with some lettuce for lunches. Hello friends, good morning. I thought we could chat while I do my lashes. You Cool Me is now officially on Amazon. I was just searching DIY lash extensions because I do not discriminate. I just love them all, but the You Cool Me glue is the only one that I have been really like trusting, in my honest opinion. I'm gonna do a natural look today instead of like a bold one that I usually like to do. So yeah, this is the Venus one. It's the more natural one. It's the invisible band one. Girl, this is life-changing because like whenever I ordered it on the You Cool Me site or the Clock app, the shipping took a little long, so I didn't like that. But yeah, it comes with the lashes, the remover, the glue bond, and then I really like this little applicator like that. So I thought we would chat while I do this so I don't be like getting on your nerves for no reason. So I had like the hardest time leading up to my mom's like passing away anniversary. But then the day of, I was fine. I don't know why I'm like that. I've always been that way, where I like always am super like dramatic about everything before it happens. But in my head, I'm like, you have to tell yourself like you can't control like the outcome of life. Like, why are you acting up in your head? Like, you know, why am my nose so dry over here? It's always dry over here. Yeah, so I like to put it right there. But I always tell myself like, it already happened. What are you losing your mind for? Like, what's gonna happen that day, the day of? And nothing happened. I didn't cry. I wasn't mad. Of course I was sad, but I don't know why my personality type is like that. I always lose my mind a few days before my mom's anniversary. And I don't like that about myself because I distance myself from my friends. I distance myself from everyone a few days before it happens. When, you know, they're just trying to be there. They're just trying to be good friends. But at the same time, we can't control how we feel. And so I appreciate my friends that understand, which is all of them. Because if they don't, are they really your friends? Oh my God, look how natural it's looking. But don't worry, I'll show you close up. I did an 8-10, and now I'm gonna bust it out with a size 12. I feel like I should do, ooh girl, she's looking natural. Yeah, and then I chatted with my brother and my sister. And my brother went to the grave, cleaned it up. My brother's so sweet. He does that a lot. He like cleans up the grave. I think I'm gonna do a 12. A 14 on the ends. Let's see how that goes. And by the way, my lash extensions, they don't last long. They only last like 2 or 3 days. 2 nights max, because I don't know why. I just have to switch it up after a while and clean it. That's just honestly my personality type. You know how I be cleaning everything? Well, that's how I am with my lashes too. I gotta clean it and start over. But overall, I'm so happy! The fact that they're finally on Amazon. Do you know how convenient it is to order on Amazon versus anywhere else? The shipping is free when you're Prime. It took 2 days. Like, come on now. That's like the best. Oh, the ends always get me. Come on, girl. You can do it. You can stick on. Ooh, wee. She's done. She's done. She's natural. And then I like to grab the seal like this. And then I have it in between these like that. And then I squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. The seal needs to dry a little bit, but girl, she's cute. Hold on, let me get up close. I'm sorry to be all up in your face. You see how it's super natural? It's like, is she wearing extensions or not? And then that's the non-lash. And then this one is super cute. My highlight was spending time with David and Susan. And I can't stop talking about Susan's food. It's so good. Like, you guys, I wish you guys could try Susan's food. Like, she's so good at what she does. Like, she's incredible. I love seeing David too. And it was just good. Good times. Thankfully, the Niners won because Justin gets so upset if they don't. Yeah, but these are the way the lashes are looking like. It's giving natural. I like it, actually. I do. When I first put it on, the inner corner was a little too close to this waterline area. So I moved it. I took it off and I applied it, and now it's super comfortable. You can't do it on your skin. You have to do it on your bottom lash line, a little close, but not so close that it's like touching your skin. Like that's super annoying. But yeah, I'll link it because I'm so excited that it's like finally on Amazon. I'll link it if you guys are interested. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.